To make sure your seedlings never suffer from blackleg disease, follow these simple growing rules. Blackleg is a fungal disease, a type of rot whose pathogens live in the upper layer of soil. Under favorable conditions, they immediately attack young seedlings. And what are these favorable conditions? Dense planting, excessive watering, and low or fluctuating temperatures. This disease cannot be treated, so it is better to prevent it from affecting your plants in the first place. To do this, sow seeds properly in containers, keeping a distance of 2 cm between seeds and 4 cm between rows. This will provide enough space for healthy seedling growth. Before transplanting them into individual cups, water your seedlings moderately. I water only under the plants, since I grow them on shelves, avoiding watering between the rows. This way, excess moisture is absorbed by the soil in between. However, if you are growing seedlings on a windowsill, do the opposite. Water only between the rows, so that the soil under the plant stays dry on the surface. But for this to work, the plant must already have true leaves. This means the root system has developed well, and always maintain the correct temperature for seedlings. To prevent them from stretching, keep the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius. And to keep them healthy, do not let the temperature drop below 16 degrees Celsius. For this, growing seedlings on shelves is ideal. If you are growing on a windowsill, place a piece of styrofoam under the container. At night, it is better to move the seedlings away from the window. But what if the seedlings have already been infected with blackleg disease? Act immediately. Remove all affected plants, stop watering, and sprinkle the soil surface with a thin layer of dry sand. And most importantly, prevent temperature fluctuations or drops below 16 degrees Celsius.